Okay, I've tried this. I've tried this a couple times. I'm gonna try it one more time here. So let's do this. Can't find a better way to screen record, so I'm just trying to do it via Zoom. But okay, I'm having an issue with this problem. Let's go ahead and do this. So I'm doing everything right here usually. I'm gonna do this to show you that I think I'm doing it right. So it's 1.25 and then 0.75 and then get my calculator. So 1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000 is 938.72. 938.72. $1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000. $75 times 1,000. 937.5, sorry. 937. 37.5. Yeah. So I do that, 937.5. 1,000 minus 937.5 is 62.5. And then 62.5 divided by 1,000 equals 0.0625 times 100 is 6.25. 6.25. Okay, so I do all that. So I got that. And I know I struggled here, but I usually don't. It was just me being tired and incorrectly putting in my calculator, but I'll be more punctual with the real thing here. Okay, so annotate, draw it out here. Okay, so we got rise by 25%, fall by 25%. So we got 100 minus 25, wish I had a mouse, equals 75. Maybe I'll try text. All right. 100 minus 25 equals 75. And then 100 plus 75 equals 1, or sorry, plus 25 equals 125. So it'll be 1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000. I'm just going to use 1,000. So I do that. So 1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000. 1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000. 937.5. 937.5. I'm going to do it one more time, just for the sake of it. 1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000. 937.5. Okay. So I got 937.5. Now you take 1,000 and subtract it and subtract 937.5 from 1,000. 937.5 equals. So we got 1,000 minus 937.5 equals 62.5. 62.5. Right? So then 62.5, oops, divided by 1,000 equals 0.0625. And then 0.0625 times 100 is 6.25. And if you can see, I have that right here already. I've already done that. So I've done this process already. It said I was wrong. Let me, oh, if I can move it, probably not. So I did all that. Let's look at the example one more time. Let's look at the example. So the example has me doing subtract or add. So we got on this problem was 25, 100 plus 25, 100 plus 25, which was 1.25, which I got there. And then 100 minus 25, 75.75. Multiply it by 1,000. Multiply it by 1,000. I got 937.5. Let me try that one more time. 1.25 times 0.75 times 1,000, 937.5. And then 100, or I mean 1,000, just like we're doing here. 1,000 minus this number, 937.5. Is 62.5. I got that again. I did it again. 62.5 divided by 1,000 divided by 1,000, 0.0625 times 100, 6.25. I moved it 2 decimal places. So it is 6.25. Just like it had in the example, just like it had in Help Me Solve This, both of them. It's not the same, so it's not A. So it should be 6.25. Like I've said. And it says I'm incorrect. So I don't know. I just don't know. I'm at a loss for words here. I don't know if it's a Pearson thing or if I'm just missing something completely. So if you can help me out, that would be absolutely amazing.